Good IMC friends, this is IMC's hair care kit. So this has oil, hair oil, and you need to mix this, and then the Keshwan shampoo. Now how to use it? For any hair problem, dandruff, falling off hair, baldness or premature gray hair problem, you have to use both the oils. How? Take 2 teaspoons of this hair oil and add just अगर if the hair are small, not very thick, so take half teaspoon aloe almond, and otherwise if they are long and thick, then use 1 teaspoon of aloe almond oil. So 2 teaspoon of this and 1 teaspoon of this. Lukewarm this oil, add aloe almond oils and massage with light hands for 10 minutes into your scalp and keep it overnight. And morning, what hair pack you need to apply? Accordingly, you can ask me when you buy a kit according to the hair type. If the hair type is dry, then put 1 egg, half lemon and pinch of coffee and mix it well. Add 2 teaspoons of aloe rose water in it and apply. If your hair are very oily, greasy, then put 2 tablespoons of curd and pinch of coffee for 10 minutes. Egg applicator should be kept for half an hour and curd applicator should be kept only for 10 minutes. But if you have any kind of severe problem, then consult or take session from me. Otherwise, this is quite good to handle any problem. If you are very regular, you have to be very regular with these steps, with the oiling, like at least twice a week you do this, and then wash in the morning. First wash your hair applicator with water and then with Keshwan shampoo. How to use shampoo now? Shampoo should be done by mixing that shampoo into half mug of water. Means take half mug of water, or ratio is 1 glass of water. Put 1 cap of shampoo, mix it well and put it on your hair. Now, most important part for hair care is don't use hot water or hot showers on your head. Please do it. Put the hair down and then wash when the problem is already existing. All the problematic hair should wash their hair by putting the head down and then use water. No showers, please, and no hot water, please. And put last mug just tap water if you can. Right now, let's see what oil is there. Hair oil is a combination of many good things like Avla, Haldi, Dhrit Kumari, Brahmi, and many more things like let me see, Neem, Tulsi. Then I have already told this, Shikakai. So this is a combination of all good herbs which are very essential for premature gray hair problem, falling off hair. And here for Harad and Behad are 2 very good things for hair problems. So they have used that in the combination with almond oil. So that's why I recommend everyone to use Harad, Behad, Dhrit Kumari, right, in almond oil and til oil. So these are the oil I generally recommend, and these are the herbs I play with and make many things out of it. So please, I suggest use this. And even the Keshwan shampoo, that is also very good, and it removes dandruff, stimulates hair growth, strengthens your root, prevents baldness, hair fall and graying of hair. There is no chemical things in it, totally herbal organic things. So that's why I highly recommend this kit to use, and use it and let me know when you order. Then at that time when you'll order and you pay the money, and you can ask me what type of hair you have, and I can suggest you the right applicator with combination of these 2 oils. Or if anything else is needed, I'll guide according to what kind of nutrition is lacking. So according to that, whether you need to start the daily diet or any other vitamin or Nutra Mega or Omega 369, which are very essential for the falling of hair problems, because generally you lack that, or iron deficiency, that one can people who will place order will definitely get the benefit of a free consultation from me. Thank you for watching.